In this lesson, we're going to talk about a special piece of equipment for those of you with truck-mounted carpet cleaning equipment. Our Truckmaster is engineered for use with your carpet cleaning system to clean air ducts using the contact cleaning method. The Truckmaster has a 2-speed duct cleaning motor attached to a 1.5-inch 35-foot vacuum hose with a 2-inch hose cuff. There's an optional 2-inch hose for use in larger ducts, those more than 12 inches in diameter. It also comes with a 12-inch disposable pancake brush, and other sizes are available. Keep in mind, the Truckmaster will not work with portable carpet cleaning equipment. Carpet cleaning takes in wet debris from the carpet cleaning process, but the air ducts contain dry debris. If this debris enters the carpet cleaning blower wheel, it could damage it. So we've developed a method to apply moisture to the duct cleaning process, the dust stamper. This allows water from your truck to spray onto the dry debris, protecting your cleaning equipment from damage. The Truckmaster itself is only used to control the power brush. The suction for cleaning is provided by your truck's vacuum system. On the front panel, there's the brush override controls when you want to manually control the brush. However, using the provided remote will make it easier to control the brush while you're cleaning. The brush has 2 speeds, high and low, and there's an on and off switch. The remote control will affect all these. While you're cleaning the duct, you can change the speed settings, reverse the brush direction, and turn the brush on and off as needed. To start using the Truckmaster, first make sure the power is in the off position and plug in the power cord from the Truckmaster into a 120-volt outlet. Then attach the brush's power cable from the vacuum hose to the connector on the control panel. Before turning on the brush, make sure it is not near anything, like the power cord. And it is good practice to never turn on the brush outside the duct, especially when you take it out. The bristles will have debris attached to them, and a moving brush head will send debris into the room if not turned off. Hose setup is next. In your truck, connect your carpet hose. Run the hose up to the point where you can reach the red air care hose. In between these hoses is where the dust stamper will be attached. You can control the Truckmaster either through the control panel or the remote. First on the panel is the on-off switch. Next is the brush power connection port. Then we have the brush overrides. First is the brush high-low speed setting. Next are the brush start and brush reverse switches. If you want to use the control panel, these switches should be set to work with the control panel. If you want to use the remote, set the switches to handheld remote. The remote control uses a line-of-sight infrared beam to connect to the control box. The remote must be able to see the control box. The signal will not go through walls or thick objects. The remote control has the following buttons. There's the on and off button, the forward reverse button, and the high-low buttons. We will cover how to clean with the Truckmaster in our residential contact cleaning video. In our next lesson, we will be demonstrating our vent vac, our dryer duct cleaning powerhouse.